How to generate same character image on Meta AI, which means character consistency. Now, as you guys can see at the top, first I gave it a prompt to generate me a dog image, Dalmatian Husky. It generated me that. Then I gave it a second prompt saying, can you generate me a video of a dog in the above picture running? So right now you can see the dog running. Now the dog is not as same in the picture as at the bottom, but right now this is the only thing you can do to get a consistent character, because Meta AI is basically a personalized AI for your daily use. It's not like, created for you to create videos. If you want to create like, those AI kind of YouTube videos, you need to go to a better AI. For that, you can use the AI Leonardo AI, or you can also use other AI like Midjourney. Now, those are paid AI. They are paid. That's why they can have character consistency and create high quality video. And Meta AI, this is the best you can do. Okay. So this is the only thing you can do for character consistency. Just create an image and give it a prompt like generate me a video of a dog in the above picture. You can maybe generate a picture of a man and say, give me a man eating spaghetti. Make sure the man looks similar to the man in the above picture. This is the best you can do for it to create a similar character. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.